This is Captain's Log number 48. We stopped to eat lunch and take a bath in the Allagash River. Michael's eating a peanut butter and jelly sandwich right now. Michael, tell everybody what you think.
Very nice.
Tell everybody about the winds today.
They're probably close to 20 miles an hour from behind us, so they're pushing us along. Without paddling, we can go close to 5 miles an hour, which is fast as we could actually paddle if we were paddling hard as we could. So it's very nice.
Is that what you had to say?
I think so.
Tell everybody what we saw today.
3 moose.
3 moose.
None of them let us get very close.
But they were standing in the middle of the river. What else?
Got stuck on a lot of rocks.
How many videos did you take today with the GoPro?
14 or 15, I think.
14 or 15? You emptied a battery, right?
Yeah, that's from today and yesterday. So I need to charge them tonight.
Are we on time with our schedule?
Yes. We're probably within a mile of where we should be. Which is good. So we finished up time yesterday.
Like you said, it's really windy. I'll show you kind of where we got off the river, and it's pretty fun. So we just took a bath right out there by that big rock. That was pretty cool. Just waited out. There's where we came from. And there's where we're going. So, should be a pretty cool day. Pretty happy. Took a bath. Put on some fresh deodorant. I think that's about all we got. You got anything else?
Nope, that's it.
That's it. There you guys go. That was Michael's Captain's Log for you, Abby.